need to do her arms. So she has some arm thingies that come down. Just one second, let me just check the reference. Where do they start? They kind of start here. They start here. So let's do this in this mode so it's not too dodgy looking. Okay. So really this should be... It's okay. I'm going to put this in faces mode. I think I'll start them here. And I may end up not modeling this, but painting it on rather than modeling it. If there's too much clipping, I'll do that. Come on, thing, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Did that go all the way around? Not really. But I'll take it anyway. I can fix it in a minute. Okay, so I'm just going to duplicate these faces. Shift D, remove them. And then P, separate by selection. And now I've got this. I'm going to mirror it actually, just so it's a bit easier to understand. I think I can do this now. Put her back in this mode. So let me just check, what colour should these be? I think the purple, because it doesn't exist in very many other places. Yeah, so I think it only exists here. She has more bits to her skirt, but I'm debating whether I'm going to put those on. I need to fix them slightly, but I prefer it without the I prefer it like this. And her hair kind of covers her bum a bit, so that's good. I did try to shorten her hair, and she just looked a bit too exposed at the back. So, either I give her more of a skirt. This needs to be pulled out. I can do that now, I think. Is it gonna work? Still missing. Okay, so that's a bit of a skirt. It's not kind of attached to anything, but so she could have something like that. Let me just check the references again. So they go down in a V shape on the reference. Just 1 second. So they would come into a V shape like that. I just wouldn't mind shortening them completely, so if she's going to have it, they're going to have to be shorter. But I like the length of this one, so let's just take them off. That's the best option for now. Although she's incredibly exposed. I don't know what to do. I'll think of another solution. Let's leave it like that for now. Let me concentrate on this for now. I need to make this the same colour as the as that. That might be too dark. I think that's too dark. Let's keep it as pink. Why not? Everything pink. Yes. Okay, so let's do this a scale along. Oops, let's get rid of that. Scale along the normals. So it comes out a bit, and I need to adjust this. So get rid of this. No, I'm not. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. Although that. So if I scale this along the X, try and think of the best way to do this without actually. It's going to be quicker for me to just model it, just to move them downwards. There is a way to move these. I keep forgetting it. Someone taught me. So that they go in the absolute trajectory of this line. So if you do G, let me just get rid of this. If you do GG, they can move up this line, but they stop at the end. Is it GG Shift, GG Alt, GG? I don't know what it is, but there's a way. There's a way to pull it out even farther. Let's get some smooth going on there. Okay, so from the reference image, just one second, what's going on? Close that down for now. From the reference image, we hide OBS for now. The sleeves come all the way down, and then the sort of a piece hangs down. I'm not sure how I'll model that. So let's just extrude this. Let's on the X for now. Scale this out a bit. Not sure how far they come down. They come out. They're quite high actually. Comes to about there. Let's rotate it on the y-axis. Add some loop cuts going up here. Okay. I'd rather this followed her arm shape a bit more, which I can do using a skin modifier. I just need to set up Maybe I'll make a vertex group. Oops. So I can add a new vertex group here, so I'll call it upper arm. Whoops, let's do this in proper capitals. And so upper, this can be small, upper arm. And then I'll just assign those. And then I can add a modifier. I think this is how it works. I could be completely wrong. I've only done this once before in this way, so it's called shrink wrap. And I can put my vertex group here as well. Let's do that vertex group. So upper arm, let's find it. This one, and then if I go like this, yay, it follows the arm a bit more, a bit better, a bit janky. It does screw up the screw things up a bit, but it's not too bad. I'm not sure if I'm going to apply that. I wonder if you can... Oh, there's a little bit of an offset. 0.001. That's better. It just... doesn't make that much difference, but... And this comes out at a weird angle as well. Let's leave it like that for now. I mean, as I'll apply it. I think. Should I apply it? I'm just going to apply it. That's a bit better. So now, I don't know how I'm going to make this bit. I must admit, but I can paint. I can... Just 1 second. So there's 2 bits that come either side and then come down. I'm just thinking, because I've never modelled something like this before, so... if that's right, but if it needs to be that long, let's have a look. They go mid-thigh, so about there. I think they come together at some point as well. They join at the bottom. Excuse me, they join together at the bottom. I'm not going to do that just yet though. Make them a bit shorter. Scale them. Actually, scale them now. The quickest way to join these. I really do want to I want to do this, but I don't think it's not gonna work. I can't think of a quick way to do this apart from doing them individually. I'm going to leave them separate for now.